Good day everyone, welcome to today's video. Um, today we're going to be looking at a powerful tools that photographers use for their businesses. So this tool we're going to look at today is called Pixieset, right? Let's go into that. So what is Pixieset all about? So Pixieset is simply a tool that provides um different services for um for photographers. Okay, so I'm gonna go run you through what um Pixieset does. So first thing they do is client gallery. They create an online client gallery hosted on their server. You can also create a website or maybe a landing page for your photography business. You can create a store to sell your photos, probably the premium ones you have, and then just add prices to them, and it's just like an e-commerce stuff but for your photos. Then the next one is your studio manager, just to manage new sessions, your payments, just things like that, just like a um digital tool for handling your physical work. Then we have the mobile gallery app. So yeah, you can create an app with Pixieset. So what's the first one going to be going to? Let's go into client gallery. So let's go into client gallery. Okay, um so client gallery, we have different, as you can see I already have collections here. So we have different things. So the first one is called collections. So what are collections? Collections are simply, as the name implies, a collection of photos, right? But they are hosted online. Um, Starred, these are your favorites. I have no starred collections yet. So starred are simply your favorite collections, and then you can also create a home page for your. You can customize a home page for the client gallery, and then settings of the client gallery. So what is basically this client gallery all about? So as photographers, sometimes you've taken pictures for a particular client, series of pictures, and you want the client to be able to access it from a particular online server without having to come to you every time for those pictures. So what we do is we create a client gallery for them and then secure the password that only you and the client have access to, so they can view and download their pictures anytime they want to without stress. All right, so let's move on to the next feature, which is websites. So Pixieset enables you to create a website. Like this is a a would I say template, already a layout put here. As you can see, you can create a very lovely looking um website or landing page for your photography business. Here you can advertise and play around with different things. Or if not, if you don't know how to use it, you can call an expert or hire an expert to help you set it up so make it look more professional than this. All right, as you can see, this is a very beautiful layout they've put for us here. So as photographers, so there are a lot of things here. It's divided into different aspects, different sections which can be edited. All right, see the theme. So you have options for logo and branding and a lot of things. This is very beautiful layout. All right, so as far as there's a limitation to how far you can go on your own DIY. So normally when you set up a website on Pixieset, it comes with the Pixieset domain. So basically your website is being hosted on the Pixieset domain. So what this means is that, for example, if the name of your website it's supposed to be, let's say, Stephanie, www.stephanie.com, it will end up being stephanie.pixieset.com. And most of us who don't want that for our businesses. We want our businesses, we don't want those subdomains or all those, we want a custom domain for our business. To do this, we need to go and get, um, we need to hire a professional to do that, and also be on the paid version of Pixieset, right? So you have to be on the paid version of Pixieset, and you also have to hire a professional developer for that, so you won't get stuck and make mistakes. Um, I do that. Yeah, you can help if you need help with that. You can just click on the link below in the description and book a meeting. All right, I'll be there to attend to you. The consultation is totally free. All right. Okay, so, and also make sure to drop a like and comment. Let's move on. So, yeah, you have your SEO manager, your blog. You can manage your a lot of things. You can also do tracking and analytics. So you can add your Google Analytics ID or your Facebook Pixel ID to track for tracking, to track the where people that the traffic coming into your website, the the steps they take, the particular page they visit the most, and all this just to improve your website and make it look better. All right, so let's go to the next feature. So this is simply a store. So what does the store do? I'm sure you'll be wondering, store. Like I said earlier, uh, I don't know why this is not loading. Okay. So store. So as you can see, this is not really so much complex. All you need to do is to add your product and then customize and set up some things. So let's go to this. This is to manage your orders. Sorry, pardon me. My network is a little bit slow today. So basically, there are a lot of things. So for store is basically you're just going to add your product. Okay, so customers, you have no customers yet. So let's go to product. So as you can see, you have a price sheet here. What you're going to do, I think I have 15 collections already on this what's it called, on this particular account. So what you just need to do is to like edit the price sheet for your pictures, for how much you want them to be sold. Basically, um Pixieset handles the rest for this taxes, shipping, coupons. Okay, you can add coupons if you want, and then settings. So you need to you have to add at least one payment method, which is either Stripe, PayPal, or an offline payment to for your clients to be able to buy your premium pictures that you're putting on your website. So that's basically it for stores. So your store is just where you go to, you know, just where you go to handle your. So the next one we are going to is Studio Manager. So in Studio Manager in Pixieset, it's basically, like I say, this the most professional part of it. Like I said, okay, so they brought in a, so like I said earlier, it's just like handling the things you do physically. This is what is doing it digitally, right? So your project, your bookings, your document, your payment, everything. So when you want to do it, tell us a bit about your business. So you select the type of photography you do, uh, which one best describes you, full-time freelancer, part-time freelancer, if you work for a studio or agency, if you work for a brand or a hobbyist, and how long you've been in business, maybe less than a year, 3 years, and then you submit for them to make your business, for them to improve your experience. But I am not going to do that, right? So this is just a demo. So you can get started with. So in Studio Manager, you can send invoices and contracts to your clients. You can send questionnaires, send a lot of things. You can also automate client booking. Instead of doing that manually, you can automate it. So once a client books, it shows your availability, accept booking online. You can also integrate it with probably another booking platform you use. You also accept and add payment methods from here too. So from here you see the money you've made, what's outstanding, past due. From here you can create a new project, an invoice, a contract, a questionnaire, quotes, and a session. Right. So from here you can add a new project that you've been planning to do. Like I said, this is just for your business. It manages everything. So it can help you add a project. You can be tracking where your project is. Contact, you can also add contact. So you can import from a CSV file. So if you have contacts as a photographer or the photography agency, you can import them. You can also specify them to whether they are clients or they are leads. So you can also create a contact form with Pixieset. So as little as Pixieset looks from the outside, I actually realize that Pixieset is a very complex platform with a lot of tools. So you can handle your bookings and everything from here. As I say, just confirm my time zone, and yeah, that's it for Studio Manager, your calendar, your cooking sites, and things like that. And then let's go to the last one, which is mobile gallery app. So we're opening the mobile gallery app, .pixieset.com. So this is a brand new world. So here, what did they say? Mobile gallery app creates, sorry, create simple personalized mobile photo albums. Impress your clients with your own custom photo app. Next, install on any mobile device with just a couple of steps. Your photos are front, center, and just a touch away. Next, your branding, contact information, and social media profiles are easily found in every app. Next, the perfect companion. I might just skip that. So said, okay, let's go. So this is a sample with um with some sample photos. So we can just preview. So basically, what this means is that, for example, if you have a client and the client has a lot of pictures, you can create a specific mobile application for that person. So the person can have a custom app where he can view all his photos. All right. So as you can see, view photos, understand? So you can also add them as favorites. You can also share the app, and you also put your contact info. And you can see this thing really, it really makes sense. It's a very, very, very good app, and I really love it, and I expect you to love it too. So the photographer, this it just simplifies the process for you, makes it easier. If you're a photographer and you're not using this tool, you're missing out on a lot. If you want to know how to use this tool, I want me to walk you through step by step individually. Make sure you click the link in the description to book a meeting with me so I can walk you through all the processes and help you with your Pixieset account. Thank you. Until next time.